Hey guys, today is November the 4th of 2013. I want to go over the euro and just give you my thoughts and my opinions. No, this is an educational video only, so please consult a professional financial advisor. With that being said, let's get into the charts. Okay, so right now we're in the price and time grid of the I forget what that was already. 5-4 swing high all the way to the 724 swing low. And we're at a really crucial pivot point. We at the 50% of that swing, which is at 34.90, and you got this one by one angles crossing here. Euro to continue staying bullish needs to stay above this green line right here. This dash green line, it needs to stay above that. Um, and it's struggling, and this is the 50 right here, that blue one, and this is the 20, this is the 100, and that's the 200. So we're right here, and it should it doesn't know what it's want to do. It could go higher. Uh, my speculation is that it's gonna trend, trend higher, and somewhere around the eighth, or the eighth is a Friday. So anywhere between the eighth and then next week, I could probably turn and continue going down. That's my thoughts. It could be wrong. It could be backwards. It could be that we continue going down. We sell off and we continue, and somewhere around the eighth or the ninth or 10th. Um, so let me make sure my dates are right. The eighth, yeah, it's either the eighth, the 10th, 11th, or 12th. One of these 3 days. I'm doing an analysis on turn dates, and I haven't finished yet because there's a lot of stuff I do. But as of right now, these are kind of from this week up. It could go all the way high to the 8th, or to Sunday or Monday, and then turn, or we could continue going lower all the way to the 8th, uh, and then kind of turn Sunday, Monday, or Tuesdays. One of those, one of those 4 days. So that's what I see. Let's That's another chart. My monthly grid. We're here at that 34. We popped up here, hit that angle, failed. Mind you, this is monthly charts, monthly candles. This is big picture. And we failed this angle here, and we're below this angle. So next stop obviously could be 30.53, but we'll see. But that wasn't the chart I wanted to show you. I can't remember which one it is, but okay, yeah, this is it. So this is monthly too. We're right here in this white one right here, going all the way up. It's a strong angle. It kept, you know, cracking it and jumping back in, and cracking it, and trying to, so it's trying to keep this angle. And you see that it sold off, and the low has been that 34.41, and now it's back in there. So it could continue going higher. That's just another view, for those that think that it's going to continue going lower. This is a good low, good support. So, and this is monthly. So, and this pushes higher, and then December comes, and you're above this angle. Uh, it could take that high out and continue going higher. Um, and you'll probably have resistance up here, but it'll be trending along this side going higher. Now, if you take this out, this would probably be your next angle of support, or maybe I need to like adjust this and put it here. Either one of those, could be your support. Let's look at the big picture and see what we got going on. Got my monthly, weekly, daily, and the 12-hour. And the euro has sold off massively. You got three cherries here, so it's still telling you stay short. You got soap signal. It looks like maybe no, you're missing the purple. So it could turn here. It's setting up as a nice little base, but these are the things I watch. It's telling you stay short. Team is telling you stay short. Stay short here. Little divergence. Price action going up. Um, this is in zoom mode, so this could do a little snapback and then push down. So that's what I'm thinking is probably going to do. Um, very oversold on a 12-hour. You're getting a little strength now. Um, and then on the daily, this is the new moon right here, and you're at the 50, and that 50 is, what's that 50? It's at 34.88, and TEMA negative. I mean, everything is negative. It's kind of going sideways. Sell cycle down on Fisher. Same thing here, and this is starting to get red. This area right here. Once this is all red, then it's going to be trending even much faster. 50% right there, that 34.95. You can see it's like a doji on the weekly. TEMA is still positive. It hasn't changed yet, but we do have a red candle on the TTM trend candle. And on the CCI, you're setting up for like a nice little snapback. But, the 50 has left zoom mode, so that's not good either. But it could, left it here, and it did the same thing here, and it popped even higher. So that could play out also. One thing that's against Euro is that you got all fishes lined up. It could probably do another one, and it could do then another cell of fishes, and you have a cluster, and then it could probably go down. Got a hockey stick, so it looks like it wants to go up and retrace. And on the monthly, you found, I don't know if you hit that 50 right there, but there's support right there at the 50. And nothing's really changed on the monthly. So the weekly, it's still intact, hasn't cracked 20. You're trying to stay above the 50 here, so you're trying to hold that. So let's see if it holds that 50 and it continues going higher. I see it a short-term turn, and like I said, the 8th, 10th, 11th, I'll look for like a turn, like a fail new high, and then ride this puppy down. So I might probably jump in. I'm just waiting to see how price action goes this morning, today, and then kind of determine if if I'm going to jump in, to scout maybe a couple of pips. If we look at the my tick chart, where is that tick chart? Here it is. This is 180. I mean, it could push as low and fake, the bulls, do a little final squeeze. 34.24. You got that 37.5% right there, and you at the lower extreme right here. This is 30. Maybe we switch it to 90. See what support we got. 500. That's 90. Yeah, you got kind of support right here. You haven't gone over these moving averages. You got that nice little buying pressure candle right there, which is this one right here, which is today. And you got a PPS buy signal, but it's just kind of choppy going to the side. Haven't got a buy signal here yet either, so I'm kind of like on the sidelines just waiting. It could probably hit these angles and then retrace. That's the 62.5, 50, and the 32, 37.5. So we'll see. Or it could hit this one right here, this one, and fail. So we'll see. Hope this helps, and I'll keep you posted on the Euro. Peace.